Patching and repairing is the number one reason for people purchasing a product for their lawn. Patches are caused by a variety of different factors, but these are the most common. Areas damaged by dog urine, where the soil has been compacted in high traffic areas because the lawn has been worn away, shady and dry conditions like under trees or where the lawn has dried out or scorched, and children's play areas like swings, football goals or under trampolines. All of these common problems can be tackled with Gro-Sure Smart Patch, which has a unique blend of 4 ingredients that combine to repair any patch in any lawn. Our Smart Lawn Seed contains aquagel coating technology that soaks up to 400 times its own weight in water, guaranteeing germination in both sunny and shady conditions. When repairing a patch with just lawn seed alone, your soil may not provide the right environment for germination and establishment. For example, roots cannot penetrate clay soil very easily. Or the seed cannot absorb enough water from sandy soil because it drains away too quickly and will not germinate. Coir forms a raised cushion so root growth stays within the coir and doesn't penetrate the soil surface. This creates superficial grass that will easily scuff away and form a patch again. Our special seed-growing granules provide the seed with direct contact with water and enables effective water uptake to allow germination and ongoing water access. The quality of the granules allows integration with the existing soil so that strong roots can grow through and anchor deep into the soil. The following experiments show under UV light how water-retaining granules work. On untreated soil, the water just runs off, whereas on treated soil, the water is absorbed and is available for the grass roots. Dog urine contains excess nutrients and salts that do have fertilizing properties, however levels are too excessive for the lawn to deal with, resulting in a patch of dead grass. This neutralizing agent holds onto the salt and releases it in small doses over time to avoid damage. And that's why Gro-Sure Smart Patch repairs any patch in any lawn.